Hi, my name is Neff, and I help vacation rental owners get more direct bookings on their website. In the previous video, we created custom fields to keep track of when your guest leaves a review on a platform of your choice, like Google, Facebook, or Yelp. Now in this video, we need to create the emails that go along with requesting reviews from these sites. So head over to emails, and let's have a look at this email for when we request a Google review. To review really quickly, we're personalizing the subject line along with the body of the email. We acknowledge your guest by name, and we thank them for submitting their feedback regarding their stay at the cabin they stayed at. Now, to get your guest to rebook with you and to leave a review on the site of your choice, we're offering to give them a $50 credit on their next stay. Also, writing a review from a blank screen can be a little daunting. To remove this friction, we're inserting the highlight they wrote in the guest feedback survey, and also including a link to leave a review. So you'll end up creating an email specifically for each platform where you're trying to get a review. In this example, we're starting with Google, and if the guest left a review on Google, then we move on to Facebook, and then on to Yelp. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we close out the flow when a guest leaves a review or not.